reel it, pull it, pull it. That's it, pull it, pull it.
Jack fishing up on the mountain.
You get the hang of it.
Now try again. Now cast back.
Go ahead. Let out some more at your feet.
Cast back and through.
Great cast. Now pull the line.
He's good.
Perfect, perfect. Now pull the line, pull it, pull it. Pull
Slowly.
It, pull it, pull it, keep pulling it at your feet.
You got it, you got it, you got it. Pull it.
Okay.
Oh.
Another one's coming, keep it there. Okay.
Back and through. Do it again.
It takes a little practice. Okay. He's coming up. Ooh.
Right here. Right. Yep, yeah, you got it. Reel it in, nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Easy. Easy, reel him in. Reel him in, reel him in. There you go. You got him. All right.
This is a big one.
All right. Here, hold it up. Show the camera.
Dinner.
Show the camera. Pick him up. Let me zoom in.
Whoa.
All right, show the camera. Woohoo!
Hey, show the still photographer, Jack. Turn. Turn, let me see him.
Alright, bud. Good job.
All right, you get that hook out? Tell me if you need a hand.
Oh, there's a big one down here.
Can we keep him?
You want to keep him?
Yeah.
He's
he's
out.
big enough.
He's out. All right. Show him one more time to the camera now. All right. Nice work.
Hey.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Put some grass in